Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to point your Namecheap domain to your Hostgator hosting. So this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel before we dive into it, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Hostgator, to add a domain, you want to click add a domain and add as an external. And now you will need to type in your domain name. So I'm just going to go ahead to Namecheap and copy my domain name, go back and add it. After that, you will need to go ahead and change name servers to point your domain to Hostgator. So to find the name servers you will need for your Namecheap account, you're gonna need to be on Hostgator. Now on Namecheap, you want to go ahead to your domain list and click on Manage. And now you will see name servers right there. You're gonna go ahead and do a custom DNS, and again, you're gonna change them. I'm just gonna delete these ones and change the name servers to Hostgators. So let's go back to Hostgator. On Hostgator, to find the name servers, you want to go to Hosting. After that, you're gonna scroll down and you will see your server DNS records right there. So you want to go ahead and copy one of them and then copy another one and basically add them right there. The same with the second one, and click this save check mark. After you have done that, after some time it will update and your DNS will be Hostgators. And that's pretty much it. Your Namecheap domain will be connected now and point to your Hostgator hosting. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.